Let's make this! Before we get started, I have created a free template that you can download so you can make the coffee machine for yourself. Just go to ko-fi.com/diorama-dimensions and click on the shop. There you will find the template as an item to download. But before you do that, just type in 0 to get it for free. Add to cart, type in your email and a name, check out and download. And there you have it, now you can follow along or make your own. And let's get into the video. Alright, Donatello's coffee machine from the theme song intro. It's only on screen for a few seconds, but somehow it is burnt into every TMNT fan's brain. So I thought, why not turn this into a prop for my TMNT sewer lair. I started with sketching the coffee machine to a 1:1 scale on a sheet of paper, trying to copy what I could see in the intro. It is not an exact replica, but all of the essentials are there, like the generic shape, the gears and other details. A quick skill test and this is approved to go to the next step. The great thing about this coffee machine build is that I can use a lot of leftover foam scraps from other builds. As the pieces just have to fit the shape of the sketch, I can just cut, glue and paste what fits. Unfortunately, I don't have so much footage of the rest of the build, but as you can see, I just took a lot of small and thin foam strips to add some depth and character to the machine. And with a thin black micro pen you can already draw in some details like bolts and other tech bits. And these carvings will later stand out in the painting process. The gears were very challenging to make out of foam, but I'm really happy how they have turned out. Next up is painting. I use acrylic paints because it's easy to use and it dries fast. With a simple black and white mix you can get a grey base layer. I always like to add a little bit of blue to get a warmer and richer metal color that matches the cartoon better. The more black and blue you would add, the darker it gets, but be careful with the black because this is easily overdone. So with these different tones I have made some parts a bit lighter and some parts a bit darker, and then for some details I'm using acrylic markers. I'm using a darker grey tone for all the deeper laying parts and panels, and the silver to highlight all of the bolts and other metallic bits. And in this step you can just have a little bit of creative freedom, just highlight what you think is best. And the last step is to go back in with a black marker to outline all of the panels and details, like bolts and stuff like that. Alright, this is done, let's see how it fits in the TMNT layer. To get this template go to ko-fi.com/diorama-dimensions where you can download it for free. Link is in the description. There is also the option to give a small donation to the channel if you want to. But of course you can also show your support by giving a like to this video and subscribe if you have not yet. Check out this video if you want to build Donatello's lab for your coffee machine. And see you in the next one.